Your goal is not in her.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Geek-A-Tech. So this is the first video of 2023. So welcome back to the channel. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so you will get the new videos related to automation testing. You will get new videos related to core Java, and we also talk about different kinds of testing approaches in this channel. So let's start with the today's topic. So today's topic is there is another program which I am going to demonstrate you, which asks mostly in interviews, in core Java interviews for freshers mostly, and if you are an automation tester, then they ask certain kinds of practical questions related to core Java. So it's a very commonly asked question that reverse a string without using any string methods, predefined or existing methods. Sorry. Um, Without using them, you can reverse a string. So here we are going to uh, demonstrate a logic we where we will see that how to reverse a string and what will be the approach for that. Okay, and we are not going to use any predefined string methods because we have certain methods available with us, like reverse method for string, in which we can directly use that string method and trying to reverse the string. The basic logic behind solving this problem without using these string methods, the predefined method, is that to see that how how we are looking at the problem and how we are solving that problem. Okay, in general, when you work in a project, when you work directly in certain projects, then you directly use the predefined methods, okay, to make your life easy. But to understand, to develop the logic, okay, and to understand the logic behind uh, your problem solving skills, certain times interviewer asks such questions that try to reverse a string without using any predefined method or approach which is already there. Okay, so let's start with the solution first. So here first I am going to create a string. Okay, string str equals to left, right. Okay, so this is a string. Another thing I'm going to use is I'm going to create a temporary string. Okay, I will tell you why I created this temporary string in few seconds. Okay, then my first approach is that, okay, if I have a string which consists of few letters, then how I can make it reverse. So what I am planning to do here is that I am going to break this complete string in characters. Here you can say that is nothing but the array of character, we can say, in a manner. I'm not saying that array of characters equals to string, but when we combine all the characters, then it becomes a string in general also, I am saying. So sorry, here you can see that we have individual character left, space is will also be considered as a character, right. So these all are separate characters which we are going to uh, break it off, and then we are trying to create a new string which is going to be held in this temporary string. Okay, so how we are going to achieve that? Okay, if we want to what we are going to do here is we are going to read these letters individually and then we rearrange in a certain manner or in a reverse manner where we can achieve our goal. Okay, so what I am going to do is here is character ch array. Okay, as I talked to you that string is nothing but we can say it could be an equivalent to array of character equals to str dot to char array. So what this method will do, this method will change the complete string into character array. Okay, so we have a method which is a predefined method. What this method will do, it will convert a string into character array. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to iterate through complete array. Okay, from first character to last, and then we are rearranging them. So how we are going to rearranging them? So first, for that, what we are doing to integer I equals to str dot length minus 1. Okay, so why we use this, in general you saw that whenever we are going to use the for loop, we are using integer I equals to 0, then integer, then I is greater than or less than, whatever we have the concept or whatever approach we have, we use that. So here what we are trying to achieve, we are trying to reverse the string. Okay, so what here we are going to do, we are going to read from last word, like from THGIR space TFEL. Okay, so for this to achieve this, what we have to do, we have to first identify the complete length of the string. So based on this length of the string, what we are going to do, we are going to iterate each and every character of the string. Why I use minus 1? Because string starts with 0. Okay, as you know, the string starts with 0, so whatever length we have, we are going to do minus 1. So we are going to read till the first letter of the string. So now what we have to do, that I is greater than equals to 0, I minus. So sorry, why we did I is greater than equals to 0? Because again, this is as you know, this string starts with 0, so we need to go till the 0th character, means the first character, L, from T to L. So we are going to is greater than equals to 0. If we are using only greater than, then it will go up to E, because what will happen when it will start decrementing here, like suppose if what is the length of this, 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So from starting from 0 till 9. So if I am going to do only greater than 0, then what it will do, it will iterate till 1, means E, then it will print only till E. But I want to read the last character also, so I have to go to till 0. Okay, till L. So here what we are going to do, like temp is a string, equals to temp plus ch of I. Okay, yes, this is. So let's see what is the error. Okay, we need to initialize a temporary this variable. Okay, we cannot leave it blank, so we have to initialize certain value. So we initialize a blank value to it. Okay, and once this complete iteration will completed, then we are going to print this one, println. Now you understand why we use temp keyword, right? Why we use this one? Because we are going to hold the complete array letter by letter into a string. We are just doing opposite what we did here. What we did, we break down the string to character array, and here what we are doing, we are just adding that character array values to the string. So once we are adding it, it will add the value one by one. So here let me just execute this one, then we will see that what happens. And here is I minus minus, means we need to go from right to left. So we are going from the last value till the first value, so we have to decrement our loop. We are not going to increment it. Okay, because what we are trying to achieve, we are trying to achieve it from we are trying to achieve the reverse of the string. Okay, so First we calculated the length of this string, then we put it at -1 because we need to go till the 0th character. Then we put it I is greater than equals to 0 because we need to read the first value also. And I minus minus means it will try to uh, decrement the length, means it will first read 10th value, then 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. What I am saying, 10 means the 10th length. The length of the string is 10, but it starts from 0. So how the this loop will work? It will work as 10 minus 1 means 9. 9 means the last character. Then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. So let's run it. Okay, let's see. So here you can see that. What is the print? THGIR space TFEL. Okay, so how it's worked? First it calculate the string length, which is 10, then we did -1, which is 9, then 9 is greater than equals to 0, yes, then I minus minus, then it will decrement the value of I. Okay, then what it will do here, on what is then on the ninth position is T. Okay, so it stores T in the temp is a blank value. Again it will go upside, then what it will check? Okay, now it's 8, I value is 8, 8 is greater than equals to 0, yes, then minus minus, then what it will do? Now here you can see that temp is already holding a value which is T. Okay, it is not empty, it already holding a value, that's why we use temp equals to temp plus ch of I. So what it will do, it will hold the previous value also, and it will appending the new values. Okay, it is not going to override. So what we are doing that, okay, now the second value is h. Okay, in the on the 8th position is h. So now the first is T, the second is going to append over here is h. Okay, now temp value will be th. So this is how it's going to iterate again and again and again till the I value is equals to 0. It will say okay, yes, I is equals to 0, then it will read the last value which is called L. Okay, then it will store the value in temp and it will print the output like this. Okay, so this is all about how to do a reverse of a string without using any uh, predefined methods which is provided by Java. So this is a very simple and very basic example. We can achieve this use while using while loop also. Okay, sometimes they ask in interview, okay, don't use for loop, go for while loop. Okay, sometimes they might ask you to use for each loop. Okay, so there are different kinds of approaches which can be used to uh, achieve this output. Okay, as per the questions, so there could be a multiple kind of approaches to solve a problem. Okay, always remember there is not a single approach. Okay, there could be multiple approach also. So this is the one of the approach to achieve our solution. So if you are able to manage it using for loop, then you can, because logic will be the same, then you can achieve it by while loop also. So it will not be that much difficult for you. You just need to understand that how you put the while loop in core Java, and how you can use the same value, or how you can, you know, use the same approach in with the different syntaxes or the different facility provided by Java, like the while loop. Okay, so this is all about the reverse string program. This is a very common question asked in interviews for automation, and for core Java interview questions for the freshers also they asked. Even you have a year experience also, they asked these questions mostly. So that's it, that's all. Thank you for your time, and if you are new to channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends also. There are more questions also available in the playlist, which you can go through and you can see the different kinds of core Java interview questions. There is a playlist for testing related stuffs also, so you can see those videos also, and you can also mention in comment section if you want a specific program to understand, or you want a video on on a certain topic. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you guys, thanks a lot.